Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? Today, we'll be taking a deep dive into Apple to help you make an informed decision. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, February 12, 2024. Now, we're back with an even more detailed analysis to provide you with valuable insights. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest analysis. We don't want you to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4. Visit StockInvest.us and tap into the power of AI. Get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Lastly, remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since February 6, 2024, our system has identified Apple as a sell candidate, with a score of -1.60. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance over this period. The stock saw a loss of -1.14%. This means it had an average daily loss of -0.23% since being labeled as a sell candidate. The stock is currently moving in a horizontal trend, indicating that it is not experiencing significant upward or downward movement. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a potential -1.67% change in the stock's value over the next 3 months. However, the stock's return could range from -5.53% to 2.96% during this period. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected 19.63% change in the stock's value over the next year. This suggests a possible return between 12.91% and 29.97%, resulting in a price range of $211.31 to $243.23 after 12 months. Our latest update on Apple brings forth the headline, "Red Day on Monday for Apple." On the last trading day, which was Monday, February 12, 2024, the Apple stock price experienced a decrease of 0.9%, going from $188.85 to $187.15. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 1.01%, with a low of $186.79 and a high of $188.67. Over the past couple of weeks, the price has been fluctuating, resulting in a loss of 2.39%. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased along with the stock, which is generally seen as a positive sign. On that specific day, the trading volume dipped by 3 million shares, with a total of 41 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $7.66 billion. In the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price for Apple stock was $199.62, while the lowest was $143.90. Presently, the price is 6.25% or $12.47 below the 52-week high, and 18.01% or $41.11 below the all-time high on August 30, 2018, when the price reached $228.26. Analyst ratings. Recently, some notable analyst ratings for Apple have been reported. On Friday, February 2, 2024, Goldman Sachs upgraded Apple and gave it an outperform grade. On Thursday, February 1, 2024, Piper Sandler also expressed positivity by giving Apple an overweight grade. Earlier, on Tuesday, January 30, 2024, Wedbush rated Apple as outperform with a hold action. Back on Thursday, January 18, 2024, Bank of America Securities upgraded Apple and gave it a buy grade. However, on the same day, Bank of America Securities also gave Apple a negative grade with an upgrade action. It's interesting to see conflicting opinions from the same source. Analysts have given Apple stock a strong buy rating overall. They consider the PE ratio and price to book as strong buys. In terms of return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as a strong buy. In today's analysis, we'll be looking at the signals for Apple stock. On Wednesday, January 31, 2024, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 1.49%. This suggests that there could be further rise until a new top pivot is found. However, it's important to note that there are also some negative signals that may influence the stock's near short-term development. Sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages indicate a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals shows a general sell signal, with the long-term average above the short-term average. If the stock corrects upwards, there may be some resistance at $188.08 and $188.75. But if the stock breaks above these levels, it will issue buy signals. It's worth mentioning that there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. However, the volume fell alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk as volume should follow the price movements. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots showed a buy signal 9 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy signal 26 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a sell signal 11 days ago. Additionally, the relation between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 9 days ago. Let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average indicated a sell signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average also showed a sell signal 20 days ago. Furthermore, the relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 55 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple's support level is at $185.85, which means it has a strong foundation to potentially bounce back from. This creates a buying opportunity as we can expect an upwards reaction when this support level is tested. Apple is a stock that is consistently traded at a good volume, which means it is actively bought and sold by investors. This also indicates that the risk associated with this stock is relatively low. In terms of daily price changes, Apple's stock moved $1.88, 1.01%, between its high and low points in the last day. Over the past week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 1.17%. This means that while there are some fluctuations, they are generally minor. Before we discuss potential trading levels for Apple, let's start by understanding some important fundamental data. First, let me explain the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings, giving us insights into its valuation. This P/E ratio for Apple is within a normal range, often seen in companies with established track records and consistent revenues. Now, let's move on to some recent news. Apple's next earnings report for the first quarter of 2024 is expected to be released on May 2, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings per share are at $1.51. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact the stock prices. Today, we'll be looking at some key day trading levels for Apple. If Apple is experiencing an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $187.68. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait until this level is surpassed before considering a position. However, for those who already hold the stock, this level could be an opportunity for swing trading. On the other hand, if Apple is facing a downward trend, its first support level is at $185.85. If this support level holds, it could be a favorable entry point, as we can anticipate a potential rebound. The average rating for Apple, according to multiple analyst sources, is a strong buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On February 1, 2024, Susan Wagner made an insider buy, purchasing 1,852 shares of common stock. On February 1, 2024, Susan Wagner conducted an insider sell, disposing of 1,852 shares of restricted stock unit. On February 1, 2024, Ronald D. Sugar conducted an insider buy, acquiring 1,852 shares of common stock. On February 1, 2024, Ronald D. Sugar conducted an insider sell, selling 1,852 shares of restricted stock unit. On February 1, 2024, Monica C. Lozano conducted an insider buy, purchasing 1,852 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -18.892. In total, insiders have purchased 2,289,985 shares and sold 3,425,457 shares in the last 100 trades. Unfortunately, we have come to a negative evaluation for this particular stock, and it is essential to note that no stop loss has been set. Is Apple stock a good buy? Apple stock currently shows several negative signals and is on a downward trend, indicating that it may continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, our evaluation of this stock is negative. However, upon analyzing the volatility and recent movements, our systems have found that the current price of Apple stock is actually undervalued. Looking ahead to Tuesday, February 13th, we anticipate that Apple will open up with a gain of $0.387 and begin trading at $187.54. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always recommended to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using this information, you acknowledge and take responsibility for your own investment decisions. Hello there. Welcome to Stock Invest, where we provide you with valuable insights into the stock market. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of this particular stock. We would love to hear your thoughts, so don't forget to comment below and share your opinions. What is your target for this stock? We're curious to know.